Hi friends, I am so excited to be here with you today. My name is Alyssa Foss and I am a K-5 Mathematics District Resource Teacher, and you are watching Math Dive in 5. And today I am here to talk to you about everybody's favorite topic, assessment. Yay! But for real, we have had a lot of questions about the monthly assessments and pretty much why, right? So the monthly assessment's purpose is to have a common formative assessment across the district. Common meaning it's the same test. If we use the same test, we can have professional discussions about it. Formative meaning we're going to use the data to drive our instruction, to improve student learning. And assessment in this case is more analytical than it is evaluative. So think of assessments in two ways. You can have assessment of learning, think FSA, summative assessments, end of chapter, end of unit, or assessments for learning. So the monthly assessment's main purpose is an assessment for learning to drive instruction. Research does suggest that when done well, assessments for learning can have a great improvement on student achievement. So I wanted to show you an example of how you could use your monthly assessment as a tool, because that's what it is. It's a tool for you. So here's an example of a first grade assessment. And if I were a first grade teacher and I see item number 3, I may decide, you know what? We have taught this standard. The kids should have mastered this concept by now in this time of the year. So I'm going to use this item and other items related to the standard as an assessment of their learning. However, I might look at item number 2 on this assessment and decide, I haven't taught this yet, or I haven't given my students enough time or opportunity to work with this standard. I don't feel comfortable using it as an assessment of their learning yet, but I can use it as an assessment for learning. I can use it for learning in a small group, in a whole group, really in any way that makes sense for me and my students. So moving forward with monthly assessments, don't freak out if there is going to be an item on the monthly assessment that you haven't taught yet. That's okay, because that is an item that you will use for learning. When you look at your assessment data, consider the items on the assessment that you are ready to use as an assessment of learning, and then the rest of the items can be used to help guide your instruction and improve student understanding. So that's all for today. Please don't hesitate to reach out to me with questions. I am going to leave you here with my email and an inspirational quote, and I hope you have a beautiful day. See you later.